Hi everyone, let us solve this example of power series. See what we have to find here, we have to find radius of convergence, right? We have to find interval of convergence and one set S, a set of points where the series is convergent. First of all, I will write the given power series. Okay, so this is a given power series. Let us compare with a standard form. Yeah, here I have written the standard form. Let us compare. So after comparing, will you tell me what is value of Cn? Cn is equal to here, yeah, this is a series and this is a standard form. So Cn is equal to, yes, minus 1 raised to n upon n. See what we have to find. First of all, we are focusing on radius of convergence. Okay. So to find radius of convergence, we have to calculate alpha. So see, we have these two different formulae to calculate value of alpha. So when we have n as a power, then we go for the first formula. Otherwise, normally we go for the second formula. See here minus 1 has n power, but the denominator has no any n power. So I will go for the second formula. Alpha is equal to, yeah, limit n tends to infinity. See, I wrote the formula. Cn is obviously this one. Will you tell me Cn plus 1? Yeah, it is minus 1 raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. See, so see minus 1 raised to n and minus 1 raised to n plus 1. Minus 1 raised to n will get cancelled and you will have simply minus 1. So it's minus 1 upon n plus 1 upon 1 upon n. Okay. So see minus 1 raised to n minus 1 raised to n I cancel. I got this one. So n is in denominator of denominator. Will shift to the numerator, right? See, because of that, mod minus sign will get cancelled. So you will have simply n upon n plus 1. Okay, to solve this limit, what will I do? I will divide numerator and denominator by n. See, if you divide, this n will get cancelled. And in denominator, you have to divide separately. So if you divide separately, so n upon n, 1, I wrote 1, and 1 upon n, I got this one, right? And in numerator, nn, yeah, they got cancelled. So we got 1 only. So if you put infinity, what is value of 1 upon infinity? Yeah, 1 upon infinity is 0. So what is our final answer? 1 plus 0, 1. 1 upon 1, 1. So this is value of alpha, right? So let us go to find radius of convergence. So we denote radius of convergence by r. Do you know what is formula of r? It's 1 upon alpha. Whatever alpha is 1, we calculated. So if you put 1, 1 upon 1, 1. So in this way we finish the first part, radius of convergence. Let us go for the second, interval of convergence. What is formula of interval of convergence? It's minus r comma r. It's an interval, but our value of r is 1, so its interval is minus 1 comma 1. Okay, so the last point, we have to find the set S, set of points at which the series is convergent. Obviously, for all points of this interval of convergence, series is convergent, but we have to check the convergence at boundary point. That means at 1 and minus 1. I will try for 1 first. See, tell me, if I put x is equal to 1 in this series, what will you have? Minus 1 raised to 1, sorry, here minus 1 raised to n, here 1 raised to n, 1. So series will be minus 1 raised to n upon 1. Okay, so see, it's an alternating series and obviously it is convergent series. Okay, so we got a convergent series for x is equal to 1. Okay, so let us go for minus 1 for x is equal to minus 1. See, if I put x is equal to minus 1, tell me what will be the series? Minus 1 raised to n was already there, and here also we are putting x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 raised to n, right? So if you take a product, yeah, we will add powers n plus n to n. So as the power is even, when you take an even power of minus 1, it's obviously 1. So it's simply 1 by n, right? So it's a p series actually. With p means power of n. What is power of n? Nothing is there, that means 1 is there, right? So see, p is equal to 1. So this is a p series with, see, p series is convergent only for p is greater than 1. But here p is 1, so it's a divergent series. See what we get then. For 1 it's convergent, but for minus 1 it is divergent. Therefore the set S will be this one, right? See what I have done, I have written the same interval -1 to 1, but see, for 1 it is convergent, so that's why I included 1, but at -1 it is divergent, so that's why I remove -1 and I got this set S. Thank you.